Hey everyone and welcome back. Need to adjust subtitle timing in Descript by hand? Let me show you the manual method on the free plan. First, click the subtitle block you want to adjust. In the timeline view, each subtitle line appears as a purple bar. To change when the subtitle starts, hover over the left edge of the purple bar until you see a double arrow icon, drag it left or right to set the new start time. To change when the subtitle ends, hover over the right edge and drag it to your desired endpoint. For more precise timing, double-click the subtitle block. A window opens showing the exact start and end time codes in milliseconds. Type your new times directly. If your whole transcript is out of sync, select all text with F3, and then drag the first subtitle block to the correct start position. The rest will follow. To remove a subtitle without deleting the audio, select it and press delete. The spoken words remain, but no text appears on screen. Pro tip: zoom into the timeline using CTR plus and minus for finer control when dragging subtitle edges. And that is it. Drag the edges, double-click for precise numbers, or shift the whole transcript at once. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.